The Karnataka chief ministerial race is in its last lap, but the Congress has still not made its pick. Sources tell India Today that Siddaramaiah, the 75-year-old Congress warhorse, is the first choice to wear the Karnataka crown.
The Congress party is committed to giving a clean, transparent and responsible government. And it's only a matter of today or tomorrow, and we will have a new leader of the Congress Legislature Party. Within next 48 to 72 hours, we'll have a new cabinet in Karnataka.
Siddu supporters are hopeful, holding milk-pouring rituals on the veterans' posters, dancing and bursting crackers.
Very happy, madam. Siddaramaiah say God. Al-Abhishek. Howdo, madam. Siddaramaiah ayinda vargada nayaka, madam. Idi Karnataka samagra Karnataka abhiruddhige Siddaramaiah ayinanta nayakaru beku, madam.
Meanwhile, DK Shivakumar has rubbished the claims, calling all reports untrue.
ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಸತ್ಯ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೋಗಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
The Congress leadership is considering rotation of chief ministers, the first 2 years for Siddaramaiah and then the remaining 3 years for DK Shivakumar. The state party chief, however, is unwilling to budge and has rejected the deputy chief minister's post for the time being. Sources say Shivakumar wants the first shot at power. His supporters protested outside the Congress president Mallikarjun Kharge's residence in Delhi.
DK Shivakumar born bed है, birth bed है और डाई कांग्रेस है. क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं? उनको नहीं दिया तो हाईकमांड बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं. कर्नाटक युवक का लोग पूरा DK शिवकुमार से साथ में है. उनका धोखा दिया तो सब लोग को धोखा दिया. कैसा ऐसा है? उसका सीएम बनना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो पहले कैसा हो गया था कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. कांग्रेस कैसा था पहले परिस्थिति, ऐसा परिस्थिति आएगा फिर फ्यूचर में.
As Siddaramaiah supporters erupted in joy across Karnataka. Meanwhile, preparations for the oath-taking ceremony at the Kantirava Stadium in Bengaluru have been halted for the moment.
Government officials have asked them to stop unless they don't get the next instruction. They should not continue their work because it was on a fast phase because they have to complete the work by tomorrow afternoon, but now it has been halted. You can see here, these are the barricades which has been removed. It was all put here. Now it has been removed, and unless they get the next instructions from the government officials as well as from the contractors, the crews have asked not to continue with the work.
Sir, when final decision will be taken, sir?
Will the Congress gambit of rewarding one satrap at the cost of another pay off? Or will it lead to more rumblings? With Sagai Raj in Bengaluru and Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.